Hello my dear children, welcome to our craft class. Today we are going to make very nice and beautiful flower hanging. This will be a spiral flower hanging and this is a fun to do activity. Let's start with today's activity. For this activity we need paste sheets, Fevicol, scissor, pencil and this small size plate. You can go and get it from the kitchen, this small size plate, so that actually we need two sizes. One is little smaller and the other one is little bigger. So we will be making flowers with these four sheets, and the spiral will be with the green sheet. For green sheet we need little bigger plate so that it covers the circle like sheet like this. And for making our flowers, so let's start. We will be making 4 colors of the flowers and it is very easy way to make. So we'll start with this. We'll take a sheet, just leave some of the space, or you can just take it from the center also. This way you will put it in the center and just draw a circle like this, and now you will randomly start making semicircles. This is a very common design of making the flower. This way. I'm repeating it again. You will take a small plate, or you can draw it with a compass also. Just put that plate or a lid in the center, just draw the circle and make these petals all around. And now we will cut this. Always start from the corner and make sure, children, you will cut till the circle. Always cut it on the line and make sure that you will revolve the paper. You will not take out your scissor again and again. See, I am not taking my scissor out again. See children, I am not cutting inside the circle, I am cutting till the circle. So you will your cutting should be like this only, and this one you can remove just to make your cutting easier. Don't do your craft work in hurry. Take your time and cut it nicely. All the work, cutting, pasting, everything with the patience. This I have cut it extra from the line because I find that this semicircle was not proper, so I corrected while cutting. So if this kind of correction you need to do while cutting, this much you can do. Like even in this also, I find this last one is little smaller, so I will just correct it while cutting. So okay, now this is done. Now we will take this any one corner and we will draw randomly, or you can take anything to make this circle again. We need this kind of circles from all these 3 sheets. So we will be cutting this way. Now it's turn for these 3 colors. You can cut the same way like we did the first part or first circle, or what I will do, I will keep this flower here, and now I can find out I can use this leftover sheet later, so I'll be using this way. I'll not waste my full sheet. So, and by cutting other flowers this way, I always tell you that when you need to make so many flowers, always cut one flower, take that one flower as a stencil, and then you copy that same flower or any particular shape on the other sheets also, so that you get the same size, same shape of that article. So I am using this first flower as a stencil. Gently, just you will keep it like this and go very slowly. Done. Actually, I am using these sheets, and these are fluorescent sheets. In the pastel sheets, these kind of colors are also available. I've got this extra. So these sheets are very thin, so I can cut all these 3 sheets together also. So make sure if your sheet is thin, you can cut all the 3 flowers together, or you can cut one by one. It depends upon your sheet. Sheet colors are not compulsive that you take these colors only. You can take any colors, whichever you like, whichever you have at your home. So same way, I'm holding this 3 sheets. You can see I'm holding these 3 sheets all together and cutting it gently and slowly. Now I don't have my circle in the middle, so I need to be very careful. I'll exactly work on my lines drawn. Here I can cut just to avoid this extra bulk along the cutting. Maybe if your sheets are little harder like normally these A4 sheets are, then please don't try to cut it all together. Cut it separate only. Otherwise it will not give you very neat cutting. Since that pile will be little harder to cut on, so you need to cut it separate. Yes. Now, as I've told you that we need circles also, so I'll take this piece and this I can get little bigger circle, so I will not copy the same. Since I have this bigger paper, I will cut it like this. Always avoid wastage of paper. Whatever is required, use that piece and avoid the wastage. Now children, I have this 4 flowers. And 4 of these circles. So I can put it this way: 1, 2, 3, and 4. This way I'll paste them up. So using my Fevicol, just put some of the Fevicol here. Place it in the center. Press it nicely. This also in the center. Okay, now we will keep these flowers like this on the side. Now we will give 3D effect to this flower. We will take this scissor and from here we will cut it till the middle. And now we will hold it like this, and we will go till the middle this way, and now we will overlap this way. 2 layers. So we will take our Fevicol. You can use Fevistick also, but please don't use very gum, that yellow glue, please don't use that. you can see it is one over the other, same way. Just fold a little to get the center, and cut it till the center. If you want to make your flower little smaller, then you can overlap 3 parts also, but 2 is okay. Like I'm telling you, you can overlap by 3 also. 3 will give this look, and 2 is little this way. So if you are doing 3 overlaps, then it should be 3 with all. If you are doing 2 overlaps, then it should be 2 for all. I have started with 2, so I'll be doing 2 only. Now we will join our flowers like this, all 4 flowers, one after the other this way. Just join from one petal. Basically, the tips of all the flowers should match this way. You need to hold for a while. It will be something like this. You can see this is the base, and from above it's like this. All the 4 flowers join. So we will keep this aside. Now it's time to make our spiral. as I've told you that you need a little bigger sheet for this, bigger circle. So first we need to take a circle like this. This will be extra, and this. Now what we will do, after making this circle, you will take from one point, say here, from here, and we will start making the spiral. Spiral is just never ending line. 1, 2 and 3. You will not close it, it will be like this only. First you will make the circle, then you will take one point and 1, 2 and 3, and it will stop here. Now this spiral, I have this zigzag scissor with me. I will cut this spiral with this zigzag scissor. Cut this extra sheet just to make the movement easy. This is called spiral. And now we have all these cuttings with us. With these we will cut the leaves. Simple leaves. You can draw, you can cut freehand as you feel comfortable. You can draw and cut also. But I like to cut freehand only. So spiral is ready and all this stuff is done. So we will take this base, this will be going inside here. We will attach it this way. Now we will take these leaves and we will place along with our flowers this way. Paste it nicely, or you can do it this way also, that paste it on one side and then you drop and fix the other part also. You can put any number of leaves you can put with the glitter sheets also, so it's all your choice how you can go about. Now see, I'll put few more leaves. We'll put some of the leaves here also on this spiral. You can attach it on the ceiling and it looks very nice, very nice. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and you will make the same way. Enjoy, children. God bless you. Happy crafting.